How to close your account on PayPal. Are you guys facing issues to close your account on PayPal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Scroll down. Now tap on close your account. Once you click on it, you need to fill up your account password. After you write down the password, they might send you a verification code. Write down the code. Once you write down your code, click on submit. As soon as you click on submit, your account will be closed. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to close your account on PayPal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.